stand for me when those who hate surround my way, when secret plans are made for harm. I put my trust beneath your arm. You know the battles I cannot see. Oh Lord, arise and fight for me. Let them be confounded and put to shame who seek my soul and devise my pain. Let them be turned back, let their plans fall down. For the Lord is my refuge, my shield all around. I will not fear what the enemy may do. Oh Lord my God, I put my trust in you. When evil rises against my name, and those who hurt me hide their ways, I will not answer hate with hate. I leave my battle at your gate. Turn every wicked plan away and lead me safely day by day. Let them be confounded and put to shame who seek my soul and devise my pain. Let them be turned back, let their plans fall down. For the Lord is my refuge, my shield all around. I will not fear what the enemy may do. Oh Lord my God, I put my trust in you. Let them be confounded and put to shame who seek my soul and devise my pain. Let them be turned back and brought to confusion. Break every scheme and every evil intention. My heart shall rejoice in the victory you bring. For you are my defender, my Lord and my King. I will praise your name through all that I go through. Oh Lord my God, forever I trust in